to Simple Math. Today I will explain our first example about adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. So remember, to add and subtract fractions, the denominators must be the same. In other words, we need to get the least common multiple between these denominators. So remember the way we get the least common multiple. First, we get the least common multiple of numbers. In this case, between 3, 6, and 9, I think is 18. So I'm going to rewrite three fractions again, with the least common multiple. The least common multiple of number is 18. x2, x, and x is x2. Remember, is the letter repeated with the highest exponent. And then between y2 and y is y2, is the one with the lowest exponent, with the highest exponent. And I will repeat it 3 times. 18 x2 y2 minus the other fraction 18 x2 y2. Now I'm going to divide each least common multiple between the denominator of each fraction in my mind. If I divide 18x squared y squared divided by 3x squared y, if I divide this and this, the answer is 6. x2 and x2 I cancel, and y2 and y is y. 6y, which multiplies x. Remember, first we divide with the denominator and then we multiply by the numerator. So the second fraction, 18x squared y squared divided by 6xy squared. 18 divided by 6 is 3. x2 and x is x. Y squared and y squared, I can cancel that, and then this result we multiply by the numerator, which is x plus 1. I will do the same thing here. 18 divided by 9 is 2. x2 divided by x is x. y2 and y is y. And I will multiply this by the number that is on top. In this case is 3. Okay? So I'm going to develop the multiplications that are on top. So this is equal to 6y times x is 6yx over 18x2 y2 plus distributive property 3x squared, yes, and 3x over the same x2, y2 minus, multiply this, 2 times 3 is 6xy over the least common denominator. When you have the same denominator, you can join the numerators and just write once the same denominator. That's what we call like fractions, okay? So I'm going to write a long line with the least common denominator, 18x2 y2, and then I will join everything up. So I will join 6yx plus 3x2 plus 3x minus 6xy. Now I'm going to solve like terms. So this one and this one are like terms. So this is equal to, let's say 3x2, 6yx minus 6yx, I can cancel that, combining like terms. So I have 3x2 plus 3x over 18x squared y squared. But I can still doing simplification, because if you see the numerator, we can simplify, can be simplified. So I can get the common factor here. So this is equal to, doing the factorization, the common factor here is 3x times, do it, 3x divided by 3x2 is x, and 3x divided by 3x is 1. Look, over 18x2 y2. Because the main operation here is a multiplication, I can cancel things. So I can cancel 3 and 18. 3 divided by 3, 1. simplify, sorry, 18 divided by 3, 6. X and x2, I can simplify this one and this one, and I still have 1x. My final answer is made by this one, x plus 1 over 6x y2. And that's when we add and subtract algebraic fractions. This one is the instruction of the previous video. The instruction here must be solve and simplify. Solve and simplify. Solve and simplify must be the answer. First we solve, we get the least common multiple, then we develop, then we factorize, and that's it. And we cancel things or simplify things. Alright guys, thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.